Hello guys, I'm Baris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, a very bearish week in the market. Nifty ending down 2.5%, but Bank Nifty on the other hand ending down 3.6%. Now, is this just a small pullback? I mean, not small, but is this just a normal pullback or a correction after which we could see again a continuation in the rally? Or is this the start of a much bigger fall from here, right? So simply speaking, if you see, first of all, let's see this candle, right? This candle, first of all, indicates a very bearish, uh, indicates a lot of bearishness, right? As you can see, because we have closed near the low of the candle. That means the selling pressure was so much that we didn't even see a pullback in this week, right? But if you see in a longer time frame, right, what do you see? Bank Nifty is actually breaking out of a cup and handle pattern, and this looks like a pullback, right? So so now what you can do over here is that what could happen is that we could see some candle like this week, right? I mean, either we see some sort of a candle like this and we again see continuation of rally, something like this, or maybe we could consolidate after seeing a candle like this, right? We could consolidate between 44,000 and say 40,000 or 41,000 for some time between this 3,000 point range and then breakout, right? That could be one possible scenario. But what we can expect this week is that we may see a few more bearish days, maybe Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, or maybe Monday or Tuesday, and then we could see a recovery again on Thursday and Friday, right? Same with Nifty. If you see Nifty looking even more bearish, but there is a trend line going on over here. I'm just going to go ahead and draw that pretty quick and show you guys. Yeah, this trend line, right? So Nifty, for Nifty, support exists at 17,500, and maybe 17,800 is also actually a very good support. But since we closed at 17,800, I don't think this will act as a very good support. Very good support from here. Rather, what we could expect is for Nifty to go down a little bit more till 17,500, maybe 17,400 levels, and from there again recover and maybe consolidate in the coming weeks, or again start a rally on the upside, right? So this is the weekly analysis. What we can see in the weekly charts is that Nifty could be bearish for the first half of the week, till Wednesday or maybe even Thursday. You never know, right? But Nifty could be bearish for the first half of the week, although I'm not expecting Thursday to be bearish. And then we could expect bullishness or recovery in the second half, and we could maybe see a hammer candle being built in a weekly chart for this week, right? In the daily chart, if you see, Nifty looks very bearish, and Bank Nifty looks very bearish, and support exists at 41,000 and 41,300 on the downside, right? So from here we can expect, and also 41,500, we can expect some sort of pullback, a little bit pullback from here, and then we could expect maybe a recovery from there, right? This is for Bank Nifty. If we see Nifty also looking very bearish over here, so we could expect Nifty to also pull down a little bit more from here, and after which we could see some pullback, right? So in 15 minutes chart, let's first talk about what could happen in Nifty. So if you see over here, right, what could be the best scenario for you? So simply speaking, if we open with a gap up, right, somewhere near 18,040, 18,000 70, all these levels, there could two scenarios could happen. Either the people who would have sold, who would have short positions over here, they'll start squaring off their positions and market will start moving up. Or either the people who have not entered in this down move, they will get an opportunity over here to start to enter into a trade, right? So what you can do simply is that if you open somewhere near above 18,000, anywhere above 18,000, what you guys, so that will be a very big very big gap up. This is probably not going to happen, but still, if that does happen somehow, that if you open above 18,000, right, tomorrow, So what you guys can do is that you guys can go bullish over here with a very small stop loss over here. So what you can do is that wait for the first 15-minute candle, and if the next 15-minute candle is breaking the high of the first 15-minute candle, then you guys can go ahead and take a buy position over here with first target being at 18,180 to 18,200 on the upside. Although I'm not expecting such a big gap up. So if we anywhere open somewhere near 17,900, 17,950, then what could happen over here is that um, if say we do not sustain the first 15 minutes, sustain the range of the first 15-minute candle, and we start breaking down from it, then we can expect a little bit more pullback on the downside till I mean then we can expect a bearish day tomorrow also, after which maybe on Tuesday or maybe on Wednesday we could see some pullback, right? If we do open flat, then what could happen is that we could kind of consolidate over here itself. I mean, we could not see a lot of momentum because Nifty has been doing a lot of momentum since like the expiry date since Thursday. So Nifty also needs to take some sort of a rest. So what could happen is that we could see consolidation over here, after which we could see a fall on Tuesday itself, right? If we do open with a gap down, that could be a very, very good scenario for buyers. Why? Because simply speaking, if you see Nifty in a daily chart, right, we are continuously falling. Anybody who would have shorted near 18,400, they would already have 600 points in their pocket, right? So if we do open with even a gap down, then people could be very fast on booking their positions, which we could see. I mean, after which we could see the markets rising up from there, right? So what you can do if we open with a gap down, any sort of a good gap down, maybe 100 points gap down or something like that, then you guys can go ahead and wait for a 15 or 15 15-minute candle breakout. So if the high of the first 15-minute candle breaks, you guys can go ahead and take a buy position over here till the target, till 17,800 on the upside, right? That should be a first easy target. In Bank Nifty also, if you similar story, if we do open with a gap up above 42,000, then you guys can go ahead and buy over here, because then all the sellers would get panicked over here. Anybody who would have entered in short positions on Friday also would get panicked, right? So you guys can go ahead and buy. If we go above, if we like open above 42,000, if we open anywhere near 41,900 or 41,800 for that matter, then you guys can go ahead and then trade on the breakdown of the first 15-minute candle till a target of 41,600 at least on the downside, right? And same story, if you open with any sort of a good gap down in Bank Nifty also, then we could see again a pullback on the upside. So yeah, guys, this was kind of the summary of what could happen in this week. And as I said, I'm expecting the first half of the week to be a little bearish, and then I'm expecting recovery in the second half of the week and closing with some sort of a hammer candle, something like this on the downside over here, right? But we'll see how things pan out. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. And thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye.